Vyond is one of our favourite content creation tools, enabling you to create professional, branded animated videos quickly and easily. But did you know that you can combine your Vyond content with near life? Doing this enables you to take those animated videos to the next level by making them interactive. This means you can create immersive content to improve engagement, boost learning outcomes, and create memorable experiences. Examples of interactive content you can make with Vyond and Near Life include interactive product tours, interactive training videos, interactive immersive learning modules, interactive scenario-based e-learning, interactive onboarding videos, interactive games and quizzes, interactive surveys, and much, much more. Both Vyond and Near Life make complicated processes, like animation and interactive content, easy and accessible for everyone, regardless of skill level. This means you don't need to be an expert to create groundbreaking content at a professional level. Near Life and Vyond both have affordable plans depending on your needs. So don't miss out on taking your content into the future and creating interactive animated videos of your own. Still not convinced? Check out some interactive videos made using Vyond and Near Life. Links in the description.